Bafethu nisibonele bezikhala eNaturena. Kaizer Chiefs have finally parted ways. No Ben Yusuf Khalil baphathe ways no Cedric Kaze. It's been a tough season for Kaizer Chiefs, but at least bazamile because baqede number 3 this time. But the question was always, can these guys keep the momentum leading into next season? Bebazokwenza kanjani, because we've seen basayine a few players that didn't really deliver for the team. They had to go back bazame ezinye izinto, but isizini yenzakele nonetheless. Then ibafana yahamba iyaku World Cup. Hugo Bruce namanje sisahlele players ku preliminary squad asazwa isinga announce final squad njengamanye ama country mele kube nama preliminary squad nanana. Ngiphethe uLerato, the wisest female in South African football, uzosihluzela yona le ndaba, uzoyibeka kahle, uzoyistripper ayihlinze 1-1-4-4-2 usharp mntana.
Ngisharp ufita mama Joy.
Andani tseba bolo ufita mama Joy.
Before we speak, I want to say congratulations to Orlando Pirates.
Thank you
for winning the Betway Premiership after 14 years. Congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns for winning Champions League after 10 years. Congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs for firing the coaches. Umnandi.
Nasok. Congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs for finishing number 3 in 2 years, ne? Because it's been 2 seasons.
2 seasons.
This affects number 3. But that's to Mega Chiefs. Last week Ribula Kabon, it's as if Narbo or Batova Koba. It's as if Narbo or Batova Koba Baba too. Baba Kubile. Now the conversation goes social media, get the possible replacements. But that's to Mega Bon. Why do you think they were fired? Team go number 3.
I think they were not capable for coaching Kaizer Chiefs, those guys. Eventually, and for now they don't have experience for coaching. Le more about one thing, Nabatoli translator. So they came here in Nabi. Then whatever happened till Nabi at Samai. Then the Chiefs, ya decided to coaches. They are not capable of Bakabaya Chiefs to that level. Understand?
Yeah.
For me, Tikinana Hobaba Tibet Fontio, and then in other things, Nabasa Hondu control the players about them too. Like you can see how we play in Jewabona Horai. It was not convincing. But for me, I think it's a good thing. I'm very happy. I was preaching for this team to say, even though they can win all the games, and in 20 it's.
Okay. Now, Kaizer Chiefs, where do we fix? Before we even talk about the coaches, Coach Omuncha, there has to be certain changes within structures of Chiefs, management, leader, you look at a team like Orlando Pirates, as much as Abdeslam won the league, Mara they make sure the tools you can't fail.
Management must make sure the players release phone. There are players there who they are not fit enough for Bakadala Chiefs. You understand? Those players who are for anything, they must release them so that look who you are. Then you try the player to learn to because I think it's gonna be a good thing to say we get a coach totally system who say kinali system ki batla ke sebetso so ki tsa di player to learn direct but because Chiefs wa tseba jwang ke batho ba bang le bona ba gore coach a katla ba batla go control to say no, we are fine ka di players tse rena ntona wena nje yetsa msebetsi wa gago. But I think there are players who are supposed to go release phone. We are not supposed to play for Chiefs. Get quality players so that lo gona go compete le Pirates le Sundowns next season. You understand? Yeah.
Individual brilliance go Chiefs. Which players? Banally individual brilliance go Chiefs. And by the way, I have a comment here from Tsepo as you're talking about players. Maybe Lyle Foster kaba sharp for Chiefs.
I'm too scala ka on.
Don't you think Lyle Foster
can do what?
Can help Kaizer Chiefs?
And do what? Remember, we have coaches who don't have a system we implement to players. That's why we problem so. Neretla find Ari when neti find the whole season. We are team we want the results. But how do you fat when Chiefs ka se pola tenje in a power we should go TV to say Emma Kaizer wabo and the individual brilliance we met le lepo go into something. We met Villarreal something. We understand. That's how our season was. And sometimes you get the fans to say, no, but we the 3-point right, but how we play into how we play, it was not convincing. So that's why I was saying to emphasize, we need a coach, implement style sakaya, abeli structure, abeli philosophy. Then I think maybe next season re toba pet. Since when we qualify re careful. So I get it.
Yeah, I think number one, before coach, now there are certain players
exactly.
Players that I feel Chiefs shouldn't have signed in the first place. Ribabarile last week. Number one, fella the free agents the Chiefs they didn't do anything. Paseka Makwale later next.
Yo.
Paseka Mako didn't do anything for Chiefs. Serino didn't do anything for Chiefs. Bo Castro didn't do anything for Chiefs. Kama Billiard, Keegan Dolly. Kaufela di players telling Hori they were big names go their former teams when they come to Chiefs. Yeah, but Baba enjoy a fella.
Salary.
But Kwena, you know football better than I do. Kwena, that has the brain of football, Mona. What I want to ask you now is, which players should Chiefs go and hunt for so that the next coach
Atobashap. Defense, well, Mloisan, like I vet from Mloisan, you're supposed to be there in our defense. Because remember, defense is very shaky. And then they can even go to Richards Bay. Richards Bay, they have players. Si se uteng lo vuge ma ban Pirates ambata itlo ba ntwe ele go ba mlwane. You understand? Richards Bay, you have your Kumete, you have your Nzama, una le youngster nyana ele nyana mo le kitnana go re ka fit. You understand? And then who else? Yeah, kinana di players not saying di players lo rena le tsona di apete nemtu but ba rutle gant but na le players to bona gore ba guys ka me ba lo dlala boma Gese go bit college they are not fit enough for re ka ba sebedisa because remember if we want to compete go CAF re tlo dlala di CAF Nedbank MTN 8 calling those competition you need players you need quality players re do it right now we are a big team by numbers we don't even have a cup. But you say we are a big team. Hence I was asking Defense Chief to say, oh, now as Kaizer Chiefs, we are the team Lorraine based on fan base or based on the play on the ground to say, what do we want to achieve? What is our vision? End of the season, Rebata. But not Pirates. We win a treble. Mamelodi Sundowns sacrifice the league, we win a Champions League. What about Kaizer Chiefs? A big team. Problem so they need to make some changes next season. Guys, Sneed into not skills paramis to understand.
Let's name and shame. Which player should they release?
Matlo. Injury prone.
So each player
Matlo has been there, remember? And he's an injury prone. Keep player luring injury most of the time. So you can't keep a player. Utom Kenya Drang didn't want how to say, okay, next season you take the plane attack. You understand? They must release him. And they were supposed to release him. Ako campaign 1 year, then in Kibon Hunan took yet. He didn't do anything for us. Serene, Salim Hall. I said dumela batho I said dumela. Wa mbona la kena ground. Nkare sometimes o batla dlala sometimes abatwa.
Yeah.
Lilepo ki moge whatever is going on but for now they can keep team ne but if you decided to maybe and then who else Miguel for me is not a defender. I always say this. For now, I don't think Miguel Kim Tore because of the mistakes, the yellow card, the red card, so Kim Wanka replace Sankam Luisan. That's why I'm waiting to say they must sign Luisan. Who again? Okay, striker Renale Silva. Kanyisa Mayo for me, no. I don't think Chiefs did a for contract. Remember when you took Kanyisa Mayo from CR Blues that we thought Aremunka is going to do something, Lori. Neretiba Naeta from Cape Town City. You remember before Totama. So, Bamunkile, they give him a chance. And then you get fans to say, no, Funegesim Piscati. If you are a player, a coach give you a chance. Go in the field. Understand? For me, they give him a chance. But for me, performance are high. It was not good enough for me. So Lena Jekio Monta me bam release. Don't ask can come to your hurry. Kanisa Mai because of a relationship. That why another relationship Kaizer Chiefs. Then it bam kept. For you, also Kanisa Mai into it in Kaizer Chiefs. 1 goal. Wow, 1 goal. You understand? So sometimes Chiefs one problem they are keeping players who are not supposed to be there because of relationship. So kept. So many players and we're supposed to play. So I can anaki on to this season. Voma. Kamata my Mazambote. Tibile Mazambe Mole and United even though we lost the game. And remember Limo, he was saving us. It's a beautiful mole defense on any shake. Bomi Quelli bomb smagmo cat the nabated mistakes. So Voma vai. Rinking one Mazambe, Bam trainer. Peterson is there, Utam Kaidake. Then in the goalkeeper coach in Garbatum Kipta, they are not a honor sharp. So Kinana Hoya, Kiwano to Lorimata Kaizer Chiefs.
Let's talk about players who stood out for you, Kaizer Chiefs this season. I know a lot of people in Zababu Kamabu, no, Mabuye this, Mabuye that, Mabuye this, Mabuye that, but off a Rebule Kawen, Kayena, but I'll give you the platform. What do you think of Mabuye ko Kaizer Chiefs? If we are being really honest, Mabuye umnati, or is it a matter of ufitlile ko team eleng gore ina di players ba dlalang sharp?
I think Mabuye for nane mtu umnati as a person bolo wa itse ba no stuff ne, but the problem kore remember we fitlile Kaizer Chiefs they don't have a structure. You understand? They don't have a system, and then they are giving you the players to learn. They are not complementing to what you are. So that's why utombona kare we vele lapha wabo. So he didn't have, but well ba khona compliment amoloko midfield. But he is a good player. I don't know, like for Mamlu sometimes you know him from Super Sport. It's a little gore utle team you I can say you have average players fun because these players such as Chiefs lead average players. There's no players who can say night quality team fun. Yeah. So that's why we'll see Mabuye to say, "I man, there's something there," because not Alalboma. They are not serious. They were not serious. Yeah.
So who's busy?
Yeah.
Which players should be loaned to get game time? Maybe it's a wabonora. Ariskaba releaser. Ariban sing riba loan ba tole game time. Maybe bali sharp backup because I know you guys loaned out some Gelozwani
and Happy Martial.
Which now personally I think chance baba release. Sam Gelozwani is not gonna offer Chiefs anything.
Yeah, na Happy Martial.
Yeah, but we're not ring.
Mtu tu shabala tame bam loan for me. Mtu tame bam loan. I think you know when I'm too. Mtu is that player to say what only the player doing you are comfortable go play game. Ne? Yeah. Even though you are doing the intolerant, you are not giving the team anything. So we are now okay, Kiduti Mole, Bankile from DDC, Banka Batunki. For not feel like Mtu is comfortable there. But if they're going to loan him to another team, atola coach lo go khona mjota mamela ba la ya dlalwa niye kuzozelana lezinto zakho ukuthi kumele ugibele ibhola nan so umntu utlame bamlona Vilakazi if they are not going to use him kimang that young Vilakazi lena ba kamlona umfundo if they are not going to use him we understand yeah mara nna kinana go mntu then you're going to get the number 10 on a link experience mobile lisirino nje tlama mntu utlama ka lo thola ka lo ngondo ke lo bulia samwe somehow because u comfortable u relaxed what's eba go hayi ngizongena ngizocala akekho umuntu uzongitshela nix so I understand so lena ke umuntu ame batsame ba lomluni.
And then we have a comment here from SABS 1208 are Luke Bartman and Velepai for yena.
Yeah, Luke Bartman anexibile Chippa United remember libona bo coach but that's why ke rena batsamai what's our mtu in our last game they decided unka bana baba banyani baba lahlele mo le badlali Chippa United. I went to that game and watch it. I was like ke yona ntweni ke complain ka yona mntu there's no way we are complaining as fans to say introduce bana ba khanyani unka bana o ba kenya starting 11 in a deep end to say go and play with Chippa United value shwets for na each way. That's why I saw some of the mistakes to Lori Batman your Velepai your Vilakazi your those youngsters kiduminalele somewhere maybe libona baba lune bathole game time but gape ke gute kere if we have the coach these players they're going to give us something. If we had a proper coach these players were going to give us something. Go ba loan it's fine for me it's two-sided man they can loan them baka ba keep if renal coach ato khona go ba sebedisa.
I say keep a player like Asanele Velepai for Chiefs. Mfanolwe he's one of the best wings for Chiefs right now. Auna wing if he tang Mfanolwe Velepai. He wasn't given enough game time and the coach hadn't trusted enough. So hopefully abatola coach of Fitlango sharp, especially a coach that believes in young players. Only potential by the next stars Chiefs Mfano. Arbuega the coach. Bavaila Machita too. The plumbers have left. So no Balobatla actual coaches. And we've been preaching from start of season end. When Chiefs if Toyota Cup, Richie Lorari, Kaizer Chiefs needs a good coach. An actual coach. Because Bafana Baba Nyane Babona Bo Vilakazi, Bo Bartman, Bo Velepai, under the leadership of Coach Onswem. They
will shine.
They will shine. And then Oba surround the Felaka experience. It's just that Mabu can only one and experience that's getting game time. So sometimes it becomes difficult for Bafana Khorabavai. When about Lamanko Chiefs next season as the head coach?
Oh, perfect. Pizza Sebato. I think we need a discipline wise, muto vocal, who knows what he's doing, is being in the industry for Mamlu Sundowns like there's no one as whatever you approach you understand. Yeah. And another thing the players are Chiefs really discipline why I'm saying and nagana go ba need pitso because those coaches you could see in even the field. What about cala ba kena ko fielding bana lo etsa so di coaching. Snene go batla ba coach here. You understand?
Yeah.
So those things le behave. So I think ba need motho tsonang le pitso so. O le go ntlo gona ba kenya discipline go mamelang. Ki coach you, the final decision ke nna. This is what you're supposed to do. Because the lack of respect, who pen yourself the cards in the game. We saw that. Everyone knew that. So Pito, if they can't get Pito, le man ngoba ngithi bakamunga.
Yes.
He's not a bad coach. And the character style of place are
Yeah.
taking my net. Ki coach o lo reng a kene. We can see Kolona go se go jwa today. It's because of Mangoba Ngithi. So for me na Pito or Mangoba Ngithi. For me those two coaches.
Benny, don't you think Benny McCarthy would be a
Okay,
good fit?
okay, Ntwana.
No, akere phela la khono wa le motho re ntwana sokuthenga sikhiphe ku contract uze like high. Don't you think Benny McCarthy ka ba sharp for Chiefs?
Yeah, plus if you want our youngest the young players are gonna gore di improve. Di batla bo coach ba le loreng ba vocal like one bo coach ba le loreng ba street. Le ena ka look. Those three ya ka look le na pin. But it's possible. I don't think so.
This is football.
Ne?
This is football. Roland Mokwena?
A go tle go liba gape mtu.
Mara, to be honest with you, Roland Mokwena na fonna. When I look at Roland Mokwena, is more of a local coach than an international coach.
What
driver ha coach a local and the local who understand the player more. O khone di kruma sharp ke na khono ba Kenya on the pedestal ba dlale ba sharp ba shine. Don't you think Roland Mokwena? Nahana Roland Mokwena coaching Velepai, Batban,
Vilagazi,
Shabalala, but so Ricky Roland and then Roland at least Mabaso. Think about it.
But what's a question king? We are dealing with team loring. Haba ira coach tlame ba mlaul. That's another thing. That's a fact. Ke fact ngori ram tlisa pitso. Batlo mo fa control na to say pitso go fa checkbook, sign the players that you want. Then in Runa, maybe rekopa u computer for league or something else. You understand?
Yeah.
Or we're gonna get a management personally shift to say Reto patla coach lo retlo gona control. And that's what we ke ntwe ntse ba yetsa in this 10 years kaofela. Wabo. So it or shapa ifita mo. Because Benu ka sim control. Ntwape Pitso ka sim control. Le ena Roland ka sim control. So the question still stands to say it's gonna be difficult if babatla wira bo coach ba ba itere. So they have to sacrifice. If babatla bona Chiefs I computer le Sundowns le into le Pirates. So they have to sacrifice go. Okay, coach, ke ye checkbook. Reka di players tsa hao, then rona re fe league or MTN 8 or whatever, since when bile se qualify lo CAF. Then I think Chiefs to ba sharp.
Ke ba mang khante ba controllang di coach ko Chiefs?
Management.
Ke mang management?
But Pamtawong, there's no one doesn't know that. Management,
so
yeah.
So coach gore dlale mang le.
Dlale mang. Bala lunka motho from grandstand ntu. Ba tla to dlala ke no starting 11. Imagine. Ke bona ba controllang management. So that's why ke chokere it ba difficult bo coach ba re bonka ba. Le manqoba ngithi I don't think go tlo emela ntho. Lena is very vocal. I don't think o tlo emela ntho gore if batla di player ba mtshetse no. Rena le di player sebetsa ka di player tse so wa o thole gore system ya di coach tse a di complement le di player tse di loreng bana le tsona. So ke yona problem e tlo bana le yona eo. That's my worry.
Rena le interesting comment mo. It's a Zane 8. Arvuma, Miguel, Morris, Cele and Mteto are not Kaizer Chiefs material players.
Done.
Are those players shouldn't be playing for Kaizer Chiefs?
Morris Nali the whole season as a dlali wa mtlisa. U korela goal. And then we must keep them. That's how they operate. But Kaizer Chiefs operate and Karek is pasa sama cool. How to Karek is pasa sama cool. Yeah, they're operating like that. Buy one get one freaking treasure. And another thing what I'm happy about, I think since when bo coach Batamail, Khona le ntate mo le ba re ke ntate Shong is the CEO, Akirabambeli is the CEO. I think if I'm just praying to say if this is true to say if Babi Shong ke na saying to say Khatsele into Batsamai, he made a good decision. A good decision. If na bam feeling to say we CEO re rufe a re qalele team fight because some of the fans they say the coach say no tla me baska ditibeka rona re dula re rebuild all the time ke eng tona ba tlo retsa tsona di coach tse ntu ha se re bua nnete guys there's nothing that no tona ba tlo retsa yona even if ne re to compete to CAF ne re tlotso. So now I think they did a good decision. Find a coach and then restructure team. I think next season we're gonna be better. Can I believe you? I'm gonna come here in this mic and tell you, I Kaizer Chiefs, a computer, the Pirates in Mamelodi Sundowns. Mark my words.
I will come back. And remind you when Kaizer Chiefs doesn't compete with Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns.
Sizobona.
Aritswa le Air Chiefs. Mohankota was linked with a move to Kaizer Chiefs. But babangata netsa babu yako and the social streets. Akere struggle la kara for game time. Lena salimutu social media. Tatola game time yango limutu social media.
Wapara dikipa sa Kaizer Chiefs.
Bafana bali bona sometimes. Do you think Mohankota akadlala ko Chiefs would he suit style of play sa Kaizer Chiefs?
Kadi player tsena ntso.
Or generally as a player, Kimutu okathusa ko Chiefs.
Akathusa if you get a coach. But if never keep tile Katselele Ben Yusuf, never it's akono dlala mo.
Yeah.
Never khona. But akathusa. But I don't think he can come to Kaizer Chiefs. I don't think so.
Why?
I don't think so.
It's possible. Anything is possible. We're talking about a big team, media attention. It seems rather attention. Social media, Kaizer Chiefs is spot on, and why rather attention ela social media, and he's a player akorang. Because the problem is that if I ko Orlando Pirates, he's gonna struggle for game time right now. Orlando Pirates.
Because of the position,
he's gonna struggle for game time.
Unless
Ozuna Police. Then Nkota
but
if those two remain, he's gonna struggle for game time. Kia Police Kim Fukeng Kimurim Nkota to bench among mo. You look at the bench, there's Tito Lena Pella is fighting for position. So I don't think Yenahaka Hutela Orlando Pirates will get enough game time.
So when are you saying if Dinto di Peta Kwale Akata ku Chiefs maybe next season?
Mahankota and Sipumbule must go to Kaizer Chiefs. That's where Batatolang game time. That's where they'll be more appreciated and more loved. I'm not saying Orlando Pirates didn't appreciate Nkota. I mean, bamu release it avaya khoralo shina uhlulehile ka buyena. But these two players, Kaizer Chiefs, they have a point to prove to South Africans. They have a point to prove. And they're hungry for game time.
Yeah, plus Mbule
understand. Nkota is not in the squad Bafana no. The only way for him to go back is he comes back to SA and finds a teammate from game time. And transfer the team Yeah, but still that team wanted to loan him out anyway because na struggle like a game time all.
But they can take him here. If we be actually reasoning how it makes sense.
Think about it. Mohankota has a point to prove. I welcome.
Yeah,
Sipombule for now is one of the best players that I've ever seen. Even leading legend and it's said ho bona ntho etsa galang kwa yena le dilo tse etsang nna ke tlo bua ka ene every day like I'm going to talk about Sipombule every day until whether he gets a contract to Orlando Pirates or Chiefs ya Monka. One of these two teams Sipombule must go there.